starts at 16. So round of applause for Olíver.
He's going to sing with me. This is Norwegian Wood from Mubbersole.
Showed me her room, isn't it good? Norwegian wood. She asked me to stay and she told me to sit anywhere. So I looked around and I noticed there wasn't a chair. I sat on her rug, biding my time and drinking her wine. Until 2, and then she said, it's time for bed. She said that she worked in the morning and started to laugh. Was alone, this bird had flown. So I lit a fire, isn't it good? Norwegian wood.
Round of applause for Olíver for that one.